Hello students, let us continue lesson number 8, formation of regional culture, and the topic is Durga Puja. On page number 43, children, you can see the picture of Durga Puja. So please go through this picture. Now the topic Durga Puja. Durga Puja has a special significance in West Bengal. Durga Devi's victory over Mahishasur is celebrated with the Durga Puja festival. This festival, celebrated for 10 days, ends with a special ritual and immersion of idol of Mataji in the water. Durga Puja has a special significance in West Bengal. Now, next topic is Christmas. Christians celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ on 25th December as Christmas. During Christmas festival, Christians decorate homes and streets with Christmas trees and other decorations. On this day, they go to church, light candles, pray, and give gifts to one another. Next topic is Muharram. Muslims celebrate Muharram as a day of mourning in memory of the martyrdom of grandson of Hazrat Muhammad Paigambar Sahib. On this day, Tazia, that means procession, is taken out. Now Eid. There are two Eids celebrated in Islam. Number 1, Eid al-Fitr, that is Ramzan Eid. And number 2 is Eid al-Adha. After the completion of the fast of the holy month of Ramzan, on the day of Ramzan Eid, Muslims pray together in group. After the prayer, they greet one another Eid Mubarak. Now, Eid al-Adha means Eid of sacrifice. Next topic is Pateti. Pateti is an important festival of the Parsis. On the day of Pateti, the Parsis go to their Agyari and pray for repentance given in their prayer books called Avasta. The second day of Pateti is celebrated as Navroz, that means the first day of the new year. Next topic is Cheti Chand. Cheti Chand is festival of Sindhi people on the day of Chaitra Sud Bij. Sindhi people wish one another a happy new year. On this day, they take out procession of their deity Jhulelal, and the devotees distribute sweet rice as prasad. Next is Festival of Gujarat. So, under this heading, first festival is Navratri. In Gujarat, during the 9 days of Navratri, people worship Ma Durga. Garba and Dandiya Ras is played in Navratri. The next is Uttarayan. The transition of the sun from Dhan Rashi to Makar Rashi is called Uttarayan. This festival is also known as Makar Sankranti. In many parts of the India, people used to fly kites on this day. Next is Rath Yatra. In the Rath Yatra of Ahmedabad, Lord Jagannath, elder brother Balram, Balbhadra, and sister Subhadra ride in the chariot and go around in the town. Rath Yatra is started after performing Pahinda Vidhi. Next things to know: the credit of starting Rath Yatra in Gujarat goes to Sant Sri Narsingdas Ji. The front of the chariot is cleaned with broom made of gold, which is called Pahinda Vidhi. Now student, on page number 44, you can see the picture of Rath Yatra. So please go through this picture. Next topic is fairs. Bhavnath Fair is held in Junagadh district. Bhadarvi Poonam Fair is held in Ambaji in Banaskantha district. Chitra Vichitra Fair is held in Sabarkantha district. Tarnetar Fair is held in Surendranagar district. Vautha Fair is held in Ahmedabad district. Shamlaji Gadadhar Fair is held in Shamlaji Aravali district. Pali Fair is held in Rupal Gandhinagar district. Sarkhej Fair is held in Ahmedabad district. Gol Gadedo Fair is held in Garbada Dahod district. Madhavpur Fair is held in Madhavpur, Porbandar district. Miradatar Urf Mubarak Fair is held in Unnava, Mehsana district. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.